Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. She's gonna spit. Do something, Chloe. Dance. Dance for me. Spitting? Why are you spitting? Or say hi to Kirsten, JR.
Hi, Kirsten.
She'll be sad. She missed ya. Hey, baby. Can you smile for Mama? Smile. Oh. Can you smile? What is that stuff on his chin, Chloe? What's that stuff? Huh? I'll let you gum into the camera here. Why don't you get down and dance, Chloe? Oh. Can you dance?
Go dance, Mom. Go dance.
Let me see. Can you dance? She has not said one word since we got in here.
Always like that one. What do you want? You want a diaper?
You say bye, Chloe. Wish your mommy can remember how to do this.
Bye.
Fade out. Say bye, Chloe.
Bye.
Say bye. Say bye. Oh, I gotta do this.